my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Symphony 12 liter small portable cooler, as you can see, friends. So this is a small cooler which I did order. I think day before yesterday I did order, and today I got the product. And in this video, let's see, friends, what the product contains. And the price of this cooler is about exactly 5,600 rupees, and I got for the discount after using the HDFC card and all those details. I got it for 5,040 rupees. So it's a kind of pretty good deal for this kind of small size portable cooler. So let's see, friends, what is the unboxing experience. And this is my first time buying this kind of Symphony brand and the small mini portable cooler as well. As you can see, friends, this is the brand which I ordered. So Symphony 12 liter one. So this is a package which I got. So there is no Flipkart package around this complete cooler. So this is a box, just the delivery driver just handled it over to me. So there is nothing at all Flipkart box at all around this one, as you can see. So this is a complete box which I got right now. So let me try to unbox the box, friends. So let's see what things will be there in the box. So as I said, this is my first time unboxing this kind of biggest cooler. So not biggest, this is the kind of portable one. So I'll try to use for the next few weeks, and I'll try to give you the update as well regarding the how good the cooler is there any drawbacks or not. So this is what the box contains inside, as you can see, friends. So we do get the 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels around this one, which is neatly packed in one small cover, as you can see here. So this is the product itself, and there is a thermocols on the top as well. As you can see, there is a thermocol which is for the protection purpose. And inside there is a small cooler. So let me try to lift the cooler. As you can see, friends, this is not kind of much heavy at all. So just hold the box in the bottom, and this is the complete cooler itself. As you can see here, this is how the cooler size is of exactly. And there is nothing, no more things in the box. There is just the thermocol sheets, so nothing inside, as you can see here. So this is the cooler, and you can see the exact specifications of all those things, and I'll try to talk with those later as well, describing what are those. So this is exactly the size, how much it is for me. As you can see, this is a kind of really portable one. So exactly till my leg, till my wrist it's coming. So let me try to take out all the wrappings of this small mini cooler. So it's completely tightly protected, friends, as you can see here. So this is how it looks, friends, completely after removing all the plastic cover around. So this plug is completely sealed. That's another good thing. So first I need to adjust the bottom wheels, then I can move this small portable cooler easily anywhere I want in my room. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you're having any other doubts regarding this portable cooler. So I'll give you my review as well after using for a few days. In case if you're interested to know the review, make sure to comment below, and definitely I'll post you again update as well after using for a few months or few weeks. As you can see, friends, right now I did give the connection to the plug point, as you can clearly see. So let me try to switch on first, and let's see, friends, what will happen. You can see I'm getting a lot of air right now. It's really huge. So there's a high, medium and low. As you can see, 3 different styles. So again, I'll be talking about this update as well after using for a couple of days and weeks. So make sure to stay tuned, friends, for more details. So in case if you're planning to buy this kind of cooler, definitely let me know. I'll post my review as soon as possible, and I'll give you the feedback as well. And on the top you do get the ice cubes bar, so where you can place the ice cubes here. And there is a water segment as well, water portion. So there is a water segment on the back side, so where you can open this slot and fill the water. So it supports up to 12 liters of water, friends, inside one, as you can see. So for more details, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details. And definitely I'll do my best to post more reviews on this particular product very soon in the future. And we did get this kind of a small card with the AC, this kind of portable cooler. This is a small card which has been given, as you can see here. So let's see, friends, how this portable cooler gonna work for the next few months or few weeks. I'll try to post you update as well. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.